The ultimate in Chinesery. The mini hot air gun. No name, no brand, no nothing. 110 volts, 50 hertz, 300 watts. Quality merchandise. Got this from Malcolm Xmas. I've used one of these at work a number of times. Nozzle may be hot. Comes with a little stand. Yay. On off. That's it. There's the thing there. Nothing much to speak of. There's a little set screw there. Interestingly enough, this came with, although I didn't bring it down here, an extra blue nose cone. I have no idea why. It's strange. Does it work? Yes, it does. I'll put it this way, and we'll do a test with it in a bit. I have the watt meter here from Michael Geggsno. We're currently tooching 121.5 volts. Let's turn it on. Right on the mark. It said 300 watts and it was right there. There's a blower in there. Those are the vents. I guess we want to really keep those clear. And yes, it's hot. Okay. So it works. And you could set it down and it does its thing. It stops almost instantly, pardon me. Yep, just cheap, but it's nice because I wonder if the stand is on backwards. Well, maybe not. Anyway, it's got a smaller outlet on it, and it's convenient for tight spots because the air is a lot more concentrated. Plus, it's only 300 watts, as proven. So it's not as hot as the big boy. This is the one I have. This is a Performance Tool brand W576 electric heat gun, 120 volts, 60 hertz, 12.5 amp, 2-speed. Ooh. Did not come with a replacement nose cone, but this does twist and pull off for what it's worth. So there are the pieces, and it just leaves you with that. This barrel gets insanely hot. This gun gets insanely hot. And there's the switch. Let me put it back together and I'll show you what a real heat gun does. I'll do this one handheld, low. 772 watts or so. It moves, and there's just the faintest glow in there. I don't want to do that too long because I don't want to cook the camera. And switching to high, 1350 or so. And you can see the glow. I'm not going to point it directly at the camera. Back to low and off. So you can see why a mini heat gun would be something worthwhile. Here's that cardboard from all of the hot glue experiments, and let's see if and how long it takes to melt some of the hot glue. We'll go with this crap here. Sounds more powerful, you know, but it's not. It's looking maybe. It's getting just barely tacky. So I do find that a heat gun is useful if you need to like reflow or remelt. You can see that there, hot glue. This one will take a while. I guess that was low temperature stuff there. Yeah, it's getting. So it will melt it, certainly. Little heat gun like this is really nice for little close-up stuff. That's why it's very useful to have two different ones. We'll cook this for a minute. Yep. See that there. And what about the pink stuff? This is low temperature, so yeah, it's starting to move. Yeah, it's certainly molten now. Kind of cool. Took it off and made it roll around. Interesting. So that is the, I have hot glue strings on me, the mini heat gun, direct from China to you, rated at 50 hertz for whatever reason. But it certainly was true to its wattage, so you got to give it that. So it's a matter of, as always, the right tool for the job. And for up close and personal work, a mini heat gun is a good thing to have. This will fit the bill until it runs for, probably an hour, at which point it explodes, and that's the end of it. But a handy tool to add to my arsenal. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.